Hello guys, welcome back. Today I will be unboxing Hess trucks. Got a good amount of views when I did it last time, so we're gonna do it again. So that's pretty cool. We got 3 mini cars. I think when I did the Hess trucks unboxing video, I think I did like the bigger cars. These are the mini ones. Oh yeah. Looks like there's a lot of things on here I'm gonna have to take off. So I am going to have to get scissors. Let's find them. Scissors. Alright. Definitely point them down. They're not that dangerous. Now, back to unboxing. Keep these down at all times. Do not put them up. I don't know if kid scissors are going to work for this. We're about to find out. I don't know. If not, I'll get grown-up scissors. These could probably work out. Let's cut this. Oh yeah, this definitely work out. All right. I got one side on this Hess truck. I think I got a lot more to do. They make this so complicated. Maybe not. How do I get this out if you... Wait, no, oh yeah, I forgot, like, this is it on, like, these are meant to stay in. These white sides here. First, I'll get this off. Boom. Set it. Now I think the bottom truck. Or not. Alright. Oh, yeah. Yes, the bottom truck. It's taking a long time. Right. What's this one done? Alright, it's almost done. I think I got like one more string. And it should be good. I just gotta get these all off from the sides. I think that's good. Now this is kind of cool, but like, I don't think these white sides are meant to like stay. So we're gonna get it off if I can. Yes, I can. We're gonna put these aside. We got this one out. Let's go. These stay on here, I believe. Because I have more of these. So I know that for these definitely stay. Or do they? Wait, no. They don't. I mean, you could get them back on, though. Because there's, like, a lock and unlock thing that I think I just found out about, like, right now. Just try to get it back on. I'm going to have to figure that out later. There's a mini car. There's a mini car inside. I could have just got out by the back here. I don't know if I can do that. This is so cute. I like when they have mini cars inside. And we got the helicopter. Oh yeah. It's raining strings. I'm gonna have to throw these out. The strings, not the hash strings. I'm keeping the hash strings. It's raining strings. Subscribe. Helicopter.